How to compliment a woman the right way. 3 steps to build attraction and spark interest. Compliments are powerful. When used correctly, they can make a woman feel special, appreciated, and even drawn to you. But when used poorly, they can come off as awkward, forced, or worse, insincere. If you've ever complimented a woman and received a lukewarm reaction, it's not because compliments don't work. It's because how you deliver them makes all the difference. Many men make the mistake of relying on generic compliments like, "You're beautiful," or "You have nice eyes." While these statements may be true, they don't create an emotional impact. A great compliment goes beyond surface-level observations. It makes her feel seen, unique, and valued. This article will walk you through a 3-step method to compliment a woman in a way that builds attraction and sparks genuine interest. Follow these steps, and you'll never have to wonder if your compliments are working. Step 1. Make it unique and personal. The first rule of a great compliment is that it should feel personal to her. Most women hear the same compliments over and over again, especially about their looks. If you want your compliment to stand out, it has to be something specific that makes her feel different from the rest. Instead of saying, "You're so beautiful," try something like, "I love the way your energy lights up a room. You have this contagious enthusiasm that's rare." Why does this work? Because it focuses on who she is, not just how she looks. Physical compliments are easy to give, but a woman values compliments that acknowledge something deeper about her. How to find something unique to compliment. Pay attention to details. Notice her style, the way she speaks, her sense of humor, or how she carries herself. Observe how she makes you feel. Instead of just saying she looks good, tell her how her presence impacts you. Use the observation method. Find something most people wouldn't notice, like how she always remembers small details in conversations, or how she has a unique way of expressing herself. Example. Instead of saying, "You have a nice voice," say, "I love how expressive you are when you talk. Your energy makes everything sound more interesting." When you make a woman feel seen beyond her appearance, she'll be drawn to you in a way most guys never achieve. Step 2. Deliver with confidence and authenticity. A compliment is only as good as its delivery. Even the best compliment will fall flat if you say it with hesitation or insecurity. Women can sense when a compliment is forced or when a guy is fishing for approval. The key to a confident delivery. Say it like you mean it. If you don't truly believe what you're saying, don't say it at all. Keep it short and natural. Don't over-explain your compliment. A simple, confident delivery works best. Make eye contact. Looking her in the eyes when you compliment her makes it feel genuine. Don't wait for a reaction. The biggest mistake men make is expecting an immediate validation from the compliment. The best compliments are given freely, without expecting anything in return. Example of weak delivery. Yeah, I just wanted to say, I think you have a really great laugh. It's like, really nice. Example of strong delivery. You have an amazing laugh. It makes the whole conversation more fun. Notice the difference? One sounds unsure, while the other sounds like it comes from someone who owns what they say. Another important tip is timing. A compliment should feel natural, not forced. If you throw a compliment into a conversation randomly, it might feel awkward. Instead, let it come up organically in response to something she says or does. Step 3. Pair it with playfulness or emotion. A compliment alone is nice, but a compliment mixed with playfulness or emotional impact is unforgettable. Playful teasing works because it creates a flirty, light-hearted interaction. It also prevents you from seeming overly serious or trying too hard to impress her. Example. Instead of just saying, "I love your style," add playfulness. "I love your style. You dress like someone who secretly runs a high-fashion empire on the side." Or, if she has a confident attitude, say, "I like how you carry yourself. You walk like you're about to give an acceptance speech." These types of compliments make her smile, laugh, and feel intrigued, which is exactly what builds attraction. Alternatively, you can add an emotional touch to make your compliment hit deeper. Instead of just saying something nice, tie it to how it makes you feel. Example: instead of saying, "You're really good at telling stories," say, "I love how you tell stories. You make me feel like I'm right there in the moment with you." This makes the compliment feel more personal and impactful, rather than just a generic statement. Bonus: what not to do when complimenting a woman. While you now know how to give great compliments, it's just as important to avoid common mistakes that make compliments feel awkward or ineffective. Over-complimenting. If you constantly compliment her, it starts to feel less special and more like flattery. Being too intense too soon. A deep or romantic compliment too early can feel overwhelming. Making it about yourself. "I love how you're always happy. I wish I could be like that." This makes it seem like you're seeking validation. Ignoring her response. If she seems uncomfortable or dismisses your compliment, don't push it. Some women are shy about receiving compliments, so just move on naturally. Complimenting in hopes of getting something in return. Compliments should be genuine, not a tactic to make her like you. Final thoughts. The secret to unforgettable compliments. Complimenting a woman isn't about trying to impress her. It's about making her feel genuinely appreciated in a way most people never do. By following this 3-step method, making it unique and personal, delivering with confidence, and adding playfulness or emotion, you'll create compliments that actually resonate with her. A well-placed compliment can change the entire energy between you and a woman. It can open the door to deeper connection, attraction, and even romance. So next time you're about to compliment someone, ask yourself, is this something unique about her? Am I delivering it with confidence and authenticity? Does it create a fun or emotional response? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. Compliments, when done right, are one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to turn a casual interaction into something memorable. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.